Have you ever experienced failure and you feel your world is crumbling down? We've all been there. It can feel like the end of the road, a heavy cloud hanging over your dreams. But here's the truth. Failure isn't the end. It's just a detour on the road to success. Today, we'll explore how to overcome failure, and more importantly, how to keep moving forward. Ready? Let's get on with it. Accept and reframe failure. Failure isn't the opposite of success. It's part of the process. Michael Jordan said it best. I've missed more than 9,000 shots in my career. I've lost almost 300 games, but that's why I succeed. The first step to overcome failure is to accept it. Reflect on what happened and ask yourself, what can I learn from this? Failure is feedback, not defeat. By reframing failure as a learning opportunity, you take back control and turn a setback into a setup for your next step. Build resilience. Resilience is the ability to bounce back stronger. Think of it as a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. Achieving resilience begins with starting small. To do this, you have to 1. Focus on solutions, not problems. 2. Celebrate small wins. 3. Surround yourself with people who inspire you. When you face failure, don't ask, why me? Instead, ask, what's next? This mindset shift can transform how you respond to challenges. The best way to overcome failure is to enforce action. Start small and build momentum. Set clear, achievable goals and celebrate progress. Remember, the perfect time doesn't exist. Progress beats perfection every time. Don't let fear of failure hold you back. Every step forward, no matter how small, is a step closer to success. Failure is a chapter in your story, not the final page. It's proof that you're trying, learning, and growing. Remember, your greatest setback could be the foundation of your biggest comeback. Your comeback story starts now. If this video inspired you, hit the like button, subscribe for more inspirational content, and share your story in the comments. Let's inspire each other to keep moving forward. Thanks for watching and see you again soon.